Oh man, guys, follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. I've been posting more. I've been posting more on the Twitters and the tweetings. I've been sending birds out.
Dumb.
Well, all right, so Scarlett understands green does not always mean go. And one of the things with this is that you have to make sure that the area is clear. And right now the area is clear, right? So we're looking at this like, oh, let's go ahead and go. Well, it's just one frame, basically, a couple frames. Okay, red, now green. Now, what I'm looking for whenever it comes to green light, this is why I say green does not always mean go, is that this person's in the intersection. Okay, why is that person in the intersection when it just turned green for me? Oh, it's because they have a left turn arrow, quite possibly. That's what this big ol' looking thing is right there. And I'm pretty sure this sign right here says something like leading left turn or lagging left turn. So it's always important to be situationally aware of your signage also. So when I see this, and I see this person going, and I see this person not slowing down, I'm assuming they're going to try to make that light. Now, if that's the case, and I decide to go, look where it crosses, right here. Now, it might be up in here, whatever, but we're going to cross. We're going to cross paths, and that's not a no bueno situation. Martin with the $2 donation, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, so as soon as you see this, just go ahead and roll off the throttle. We haven't even really gone yet. So rolling off the throttle is pretty much going to stop you, okay? You got that weight, inertia, you know, Newton's 3 laws, you know, with the apples and everything. That right there is going to let you slow down and stop. You can even apply some brake pressure. Don't even go yet. Wait for this guy to make it through. We always have to watch out for anything in our mirrors. And I know the chat's in the way. Thank you. Appreciate it. So you always kind of be aware of that. You don't want to get rear-ended also. So if you start to see people starting to gun it, maybe start creeping out. You do what you need to do, but what I don't want to see you guys doing is just gunning it and then getting pissed off, okay? And then getting pissed off that somebody came into the intersection. Did a great job right here. Now, yeah, red light runner and all that stuff, but this motorcycle rider did exactly it. Very good, smart rider. And this is a good example of what you should be doing when it comes to this type of situation. I want to showcase this situation, this rider, talk about this, because this is what I want to start seeing you guys do. This is a great example. This is exactly what I would be doing, okay? This is what I would be doing right here, right here, right here. This is what I would do. Make sure you guys do this, okay? Great job.
Dumb.
But there's no. And I always do those, and I always have a little thing in my head saying something like that. I always do afterwards, trust me, or even during, but I make sure I'm safe first.
Dumb.
But here's the thing, you're probably watching this on your phone, so grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure, a lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.